Hello and welcome to your basic Python course for beginners. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to download and install Anaconda. What you need to do next is go to the very top of your browser and enter in your URL as follows: anaconda.com/downloads. Once you have done that, press enter. You should see the following site, the Download Anaconda distribution. Once here, you are to scroll down and choose your preferred OS. I am using Windows, but if you are using Apple or Linux, you would then click on these two options here. As it stands, I'll be downloading the Windows version. Of course, we'll be downloading the latest version, and we have to of course select our operating system type. Are we using a 32-bit or a 64-bit? To find out which version you are using on your computer, in case you don't know, you go to your Start menu, you right click on Computer and click Properties. You should be presented with this box. This will tell you the specs of your computer, and if you go down to System Type, you can see what type of OS you're using. As you can see, I am using a 64-bit OS. So I'll close the box and download the 64-bit version. It is a sizable download, so take note of how long it will take to finish. Once the installer has finished, you are then to double click on the icon Anaconda ending with the .exe extension. This will begin the installation. You then may receive an administration box such as this, asking if you want to install this program, and I do indeed. I'll then click Run and wait for the setup to begin. Now that the setup has begun, I click Next. Now that the setup has begun, we are to continue by clicking Next. You'll then be presented with a license agreement, to which you will say I agree to continue the installation. This is where the fine details of installation come in, but it is better to follow the recommended by Anaconda. So I'll just say just me, recommended, click Next. Next, you are to choose the destination for your Anaconda navigator. You need to make sure you have enough space on your computer, seeing as it is a sizable program, 2.5 gigabytes. Once you have done all of this, you can click Next. You'll then be given more advanced options, to which you'll check the bottom box, register Anaconda as my default Python 3.6, and ignore the top box, seeing as it is not recommended by Anaconda. And as a basic course, you won't be using it anyway. You're then to begin the installation by clicking Install. Once the installation is complete, you click Next. You skip the VS Code, since we're not going to be working with Visual Studio Code. It is just sort of a partnership between Anaconda and Microsoft Visual Studio. But we won't be using it in this course, so skip. And that concludes the installation. To learn more about Anaconda, you can leave these checked or learn how to get started with Anaconda, but you'll learn about all you need in this course, so I'm going to uncheck both of these. In the next video, I'll give you an IDE tour and learn how to create projects.